Governor Wike don dash Burna Boy and all other artists wey follow and perform for Burna Boy's homecoming concert, and we dey talk about 10 million naira. He give Burna Boy 10 million. He still add as the main winner for the Grammys. He still add one land for the old GRA. He still give am money wey go use. In fact, I no like dey talk too much so that I no go be like say I always dey bring my own English, you understand? This homecoming concert where they talk about, they organize am. The state people, na them themselves organize am. And this one now because of the Grammy wey Burna Boy win. So as they come finish perform, these people scatter that place. When they finish, now so Governor Wike just come. And he give speech. And I know say me, I'm not even interested in that speech. The one way my ear capture. Now the 10 million, he say they give all the not be only Burna Boy, all the artists wey follow to perform in that place. 10 million naira. I bet for now we never hear am. Una never even see how the thing happen because Jamie make we watch the video.
I'm not coming here today for politics. When the time for politics comes, of course, you know I'm equal to the tax. Nobody can challenge us in the state.
Nobody getting moral like a Wike.
All of you that have come today, the Rivers people, and the Niger Delta people have come to play today, to show the talent you have. I'm very proud of you. All of you will go home with 10 million naira each.
Governor Wike. If I say this man they like make people they talk, like they like they give people things to talk about, and not be even good things. No, tomorrow now person go come and tell me say, this man in village people know they after him. Wait be the meaning of this one? Nigerian governors, they go give artists, they go give even Big Brother Nigerian people, they go give them money. Even entertainers, they go give them money. Influencers, they go give them money. Nothing what they do for them. I'm not to say they know they do anything, but they talk. No, wetin these people they do for this governor? Wetin Burna Boy don't do for Governor Wike? We warrant Governor Wike to give am 10 million with land. No, he clean him house. I dey try understand because some kind things when they happen, if people they talk, some people go just come outside, they judge. But when I don't know from which angle person they talk about. But you go carry money, give. Meanwhile, government staffs they there. You no go say okay, make I just give this one 10 million each. If they carry that 10 million now, share them for 100 teachers or other staffs we never collect, or all those nurses we don't complain since. It go round. Make una no misunderstand me. I no get problem with Burna Boy being the winner, but no, Burna Boy na my person. You understand? I no get any problem. My problem be say, they never pay people salary. Now my problem be that if they like, may they give Burna Boy one whole town. May they name one whole state in after Burna Boy name. You no concern me. People they will never collect salary. We get workers, we get pensioners, they never collect salary for months. No be 1 month. Now my problem be that I don't see now why did it say some people just feel they selfish anyhow? When I don't think about those people for months. Some of them don't come outside, they don't protest. Some of them don't, in fact, different protests everywhere. Go hear the reason. Salary. Nurses, salary. Teachers, salary. Everybody, they complain about salary. Yet, see our governors. They outside, they distribute If no be car, na cash. If no be this one, na. Make una learn to put una self in people shoe. Seriously, because na the only way wey una go fit understand how wetin people dey go through. And na the problem now wey me I get with Burna Boy. Na my person, but no, I need talk truth. I no understand. Wait, I dey think of two things now. How come when they give Burna Boy this money? Because see, una no go tell me say for this whole Nigeria where we dey. Una no go tell me say all these artists, celebrities, this one. Una no go tell me say these people no say some people never collect salary. They know. So Burna Boy, wait. Why Burna Boy no fit just talk say, because use this money and pay people they never collect salary? Or fine, you can keep the money, but can you mention it so that people, this man go get sense? Now, my problem with celebrities be this. You people, you have opportunity to talk to these people in authority, but they don't blind you now. Una follow self. Una follow. No, me will look, see Burna Boy now. Burna Boy is somebody that at least, if he can talk to this man, know how, something will come out. Then imagine if all the celebrities now join hands together, say that they fight this thing. See, these people go collect salary. But everybody is quiet. They're only thinking of themselves. They carry themselves. This one. See, selfishness. And tomorrow now, hey, is this one? Una go even go they pay for this thing concert. If they say Burna Boy is coming to perform, this one is coming to perform, now they go your small 5,000. You go pay. Some people say go even go borrow 30,000 for VIP seats. Una go sit down there. See them. No, I just need clarify this thing because many of una just they come outside this one. I don't just understand how people just feel this kind. The one way even they vex me now. This one, I still they think of where I go throw am from. Because all the countries where they come my mind, they too good. Thatcher! Hey! Una no go even believe this one. Thatcher even come out. Me waiting say, because for una way no, maybe una remember. E get one time where Thatcher even they do human rights activists against government, against this one. I can't like am that time. Nah. As this 10 million matter come out. Now so this girl come out to say she they come give speech. I even they think say for my mind I don't they happy say finally person go come put sense inside these people. Lie. Now so she come outside. No, I no go tell her wait till she talk because this one if I they repeat I even they make me angry. But she they support. She dey support the fact say Burna Boy carry the 10 million and she dey support the fact say Governor Wike even give people 10 million. Like you no understand. I say I go bring a corner side. This one no be me go talk am. I bet for now whenever see Thatcher before, una no hear the nonsense where they come out from your mouth. Because me will watch am.
You are mad. Like, you are legit mad to think what Governor Wike did yesterday for Burna Boy was unnecessary or wasn't priority. Like, you are legit crazy. Y'all don't know my state. Like, you guys don't freaking know my city. Entertainment in my city is dead. Like, literally. Nightlife is gone and dead. Carnival blown out of the window. So, for him to like, okay, Burna Boy, calm down. Let me give you a land. Let me give you 10 million. And you people are thinking that's too much. You are crazy. Like, you are losing it. Burna Boy should have a whole town named after him. He won a Grammy, yo. Not some, like, interstate local awards. He won a whole Grammy. That's what Burna Boy won. He should even have, like, public holidays dedicated to him. So, you're just here crying and whining and say, oh, yeah, that's not priority. Why would Wike want to see him? You are mad. You are mad because he has won something that let me not even try to shade your faves. Like, let's just move.
Sharp, no waste time. Bring her outside. You have colo. You in fact you not know your level again as you dey like this. Who you dey insult? Like see this girl. You chop something. Small children of nowadays because you don't manage now enter Big Brother. Me will not drink water drop cup again. I mean they think say you get sense. If you know the sense where I put you level where I put this girl when it comes to sense, maturity. You don't drop am. In fact, you form a hand. You see this your mouth. If you open this your mouth again, refer to us say we dey mad. Oh, no worry. You see that way they find. You go soon see am. You go come outside there. I don't see. No, una celebrity o. I no be one bring this one out, but I say maybe if I talk about Burna Boy, you no do una. See another one supporting the motion. Even they defend Governor Wike. Even they no una celebrity. Tacha, una go draw tattoo. Una go even go sign check. Una go buy a car. Una go na them. If I dey talk, una go think say I dey craze, abi? Which money these people need? Una all this money wey at least if una even carry all this money enter Rivers State, call out all the teachers wey they never pay, the kind blessing wey una go receive, prayers from different people. Una dey here dey waste money on top people wey no. Before una go think say I be bad belle but I just dey hope say now una don learn say nobody care about una. E hard for this generation where we dey. E hard. Nobody care about una. Not even the ones wey una dey look up to. Una role model, una this one. I dey ask again. Una sure say none of these people know say teachers never collect salary, nurses never collect salary? I dey ask. Because now they go dey do like say they no hear am. The news dey everywhere. People dey protest. They go do like say they no hear that one, but they dash person. Make una continue dey do celebrity. See how she come outside dey talk like say na she get sense pass everybody. If truly as celebrities wey una be, una love una fans, I no expect say Tasha go even come outside go come talk this kind thing. I no expect am. Please, Burna Boy deserves the award he has gotten. Even the money, if they like say they fit give am half of Nigeria, he deserve am. Because but I beg for this situation. And no. At least he supposed talk. Now wetin everybody expect. Now why this matter dey everywhere now? Because we dey expect say as a celebrity, face of something, you understand, you suppose help those people wey dey under you, those people wey dey look up to you. Even teachers sef wey never collect salary, because those teachers sef dey be una fans o. I just pity all of una. My people, I say I go bring am come because the thing, in fact, e don give me headache. Because these people, they just form my hand. So I don't bring a corner aside now. Wetin una gats talk concerning this matter. E good as Burna Boy take the 10 million. Or even as he take her, he suppose talk for the people wey no get voice. Wetin una think? I wan know. So start the drop am for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video. So that everybody go know say teachers no collect salary, but Governor Wike dey dash money and land. Very, very important. And subscribe. If not, you go dey miss matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story.